All right. So while everybody else is joining, let's get started. So let's quickly check tables for Akshara and Sohita. So you guys remember table till which number?
12.
Till 12. How about Akshara? Same. Okay. So let's start with Akshara. Starts with A. All right. 8 8 ja.
64.
9 7 ja.
63.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
6 9 ja.
54.
Wonderful. Very nice. Let's go to Sohita. Table till
12.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 4 ja.
36.
6 7 ja.
42.
12 3 ja.
36.
9 8 ja. I see there is one more student who is trying to join. Okay. What's name of your younger brother, Akshara?
Aduk.
Advik?
Yeah.
Okay. Advik will join the class after maybe 6 months, after 1 year.
He's second grade.
Second grade, he has some time. Let him play. Okay. So going back to Sohita. So 11 9 ja.
99.
12 8 ja.
99.
12 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Now, question to both of you. Can you guys see the full board? Can you see my
Yes.
finger here?
Yes.
Here, here. All okay? All right. So, let's see who is joining. Where is Dikshita? I'm just trying to figure out Dikshita, then Praneeth. Okay, all right. So Dikshita is only missing right now, and Praneeth is also not here. Okay, let me check with Diksha also. Diksha joining. Okay. All right. So last class, what we were learning, do you guys remember?
Yes. Mixing numbers.
Mixed numbers. And that is where I told you guys that I have a best friend. Yeah?
Fraction.
Fraction. Okay. And did we learn how do we convert decimal to fraction?
No.
No?
Yes. Or maybe.
Yes or maybe. Let's check what that maybe means. If I say I have 0.5, I have 1.25, I have 10.005. Can you guys convert these three numbers into fractions?
Okay, we can try.
Give it a try. Try, Sweta. Whatever you remember, try. We'll see. Don't worry about it. Whatever we can do, wonderful. Whatever we are not able to do, we'll figure it out. While you guys are trying, I'm going to go take a nap. Wake me up. Your teacher keeps sleeping in between the class. Excuse
Are
me.
we going to learn this today?
Yes, we will. So I'm first checking what you already know, and if you don't know, that makes me even happier, and then I'll teach. Okay? So see whatever you're able to do, and then we'll figure out. Okay?
Do we have to do like the ones we don't know? We don't have to do it.
The ones that you don't know, you can just stop there and say, okay, this one I don't know. That's okay. But all these three problems can be solved in one way, okay? If you know it, you'll be able to solve it without any problem. If you don't know it, none of them can be done. Okay? So, what is the situation right now? Are you guys able to do it? Any of them?
I couldn't do them.
Okay. Sohita, how about you, beta? No? Very nice. See, your teacher becomes very happy when the kids say, I don't know this. Because that is when I can teach something. Akshara, can you hear me okay? Your screen has frozen, that's what I'm asking. Sohita, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. I think Akshara's screen has frozen. Yeah. Now I
Can I
see.
just rejoin?
Yeah, please. Okay. Advik, we'll start how to convert decimal to fraction, okay? Okay. Advik is tensed right now. Don't worry. It's okay, beta. We are not learning, we are not studying, we are having fun. Okay. So now let's start from this 0.5. Okay? There is a 0.5. And let me write it down in the corner so that I don't forget about it. 10.005. Point 5. We are trying to convert that to a fraction. Okay? What will I do? I will pretend that I have not seen the decimal. Okay? I am pretending that I have not seen the decimal. So that means I will write this as 0 and 5. Okay? I pretended that there is no decimal. Now, oh, there is a decimal but I cannot ignore it. So, how many decimals are there? Only one decimal, right? For that decimal, I will write 1. And then, from the decimal point, I will start reading this side. How many numbers are there after decimal? There is only one. Only one number, right? After the decimal, there is how many numbers? Only one number. So, one number, 1 0. Done. If I put 2, if I put a 0 here, it becomes 20. But if I put a 0 here, what does happen? What happens? Nothing, right? It's 2 only. Correct? Putting a 0 in the beginning doesn't mean anything, right? So same way here, I have a 0 in the beginning of the number, that means nothing. I will just write 5 by 10. That is, this decimal got converted to this fraction. Yep? Yeah, Akshara, tell me.
I put a different answer. I put it like 1/2 as my answer.
One half, that is also correct. So now, see, I'm happy that you are playing. You are playing because what you did was, you had a 5, you wrote that as a 5 into 1. And you had a 10 that you wrote as 5 into 2. Right? Now, time to play. This 5 and this 5 tic-tac-toe. What we have? 1 over 2. So you can stop here, say, okay, I converted this decimal to fraction. If you want to simplify this further and play with this little bit more, you will get this. Okay? Now, let's do the same thing with the next. Let's see what happens in case of 1.25. 1.25. This is again a decimal. I will again pretend that there is no decimal. That means I will write this as 1, 2 and 5. All the numbers I have written. Okay? Now I cannot ignore decimal. Decimal will get angry. Right? Right, Advik? Decimal is angry with me because I ignored decimal. So if I ignore decimal, that will not be right. And there is only one decimal. So I will write a 1. So whenever there is a decimal, you are converting to fraction, you will always write a 1 for the decimal, okay? And then you start counting from here. How many numbers you see? 1 number, 2 numbers. 2 digits. 2 digits, 2 zeros. Done. We converted this decimal to this fraction. Now if you want to break it further, you can break it. Okay? Does it make sense so far? Same thing. Same thing. Next one. Look at this. 10.005. Same thing. I will pretend that there is no decimal. I will write all the numbers. 1, 0, then 005. 005. I wrote all the numbers. But there is a decimal. So I will write a 1 for the decimal. And then I will count how many digits I have. 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 digits after the decimal. So I will put 3 zeros. Done. Yeah? Is it easy? Is Advik able to understand as well?
Yeah.
So see, the thing is, whatever we learn, if you learn that in a simple way, it's easy. If you learn in a very complicated way, it's difficult. Now, I would want you guys to practice a little bit. Let's try to convert some decimals to fraction. So I'm giving you guys two, 3 problems. Let's see who does it. 10.05, 1.37, 0.003 and 101.2. These are 4 numbers you guys have. Try converting them into fraction, okay? There is no math involved. It's a very simple process, step by step. Let's see. Let's see what is going on. Are you guys able to try it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. Wake me up when you guys are done, okay? I'm going to take a nap. Advik is thinking how sleepy is the teacher. He keeps sleeping in between.
And this time, this is not for the first my first question answer is
One by one. The first one. What is the answer for the first one? This one. Akshara, can you read it for me?
huh?
Can you read it for me? I can see it, but I would want you to read it for me, okay? Okay.
1005
Okay.
100.
Over 100. Okay, how about you, Sohita? Sohita is like the teacher is sleeping, Sohita is walking. Tell me, what is your answer, Sohita? You have to unmute yourself, otherwise I cannot hear you.
1005
So the way you will read it is 1005 over 100 or 1005 by 100. That is fine. So I will just do it along with you guys. So same thing, like whatever you did. I will write all the numbers ignoring the decimal. 1005 and then 1 for the decimal, and then I will count how many digits. 1 digit, 2 digits. So 2 digits, 2 zeros. Perfect. Everybody got the right answer. How about the second one?
The other answer.
How about this one?
1005 by 100.
1037?
It's 137.
Yeah?
137 by 100.
Yes. So you can also say 137 by 100. So that way there is no confusion about how many hundred, how many thousand. Okay. So same thing. You both got the right answer. I'm just doing it. I will write all the numbers ignoring the decimal. Then I will put a 1 for the decimal. And then how many digits? 1 digit, 2 digit. After the so again from the decimal you are counting in the right direction because right is always right. Okay. So 1, 2. 2 digits, 2 zeros. Done. Very nice. Both of you are correct.
Is correct?
Yep, it is. It is.
1, 2 out of 10.
1012 out of 10. Yep, that looks correct. How about Sohita? How about the this?
The third answer is
Go ahead, go ahead. Whichever. Yeah, tell me.
the 0.003 answer is 0003 1000.
1000. So 0003 is nothing but 3. Yeah? By 1000. So same thing, nothing new, nothing fancy, nothing difficult. We will write all the numbers ignoring the decimal.
Okay.
And then 1 for the decimal, and then we will count how many digits we have. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits. So 3 digits meaning 3 zeros. So 0003 by 1000 or 0003 means nothing but 3. Because if you put any number of 0 in the beginning, that doesn't make any difference. Yep. So it becomes 3 by 1000. Okay, how about this guy?
Which one? Oh, okay.
Akshara has shown me that number 1012 by
No, 1012 out of 10.
by 10, over 10. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what Sohita says before I move on.
Mine says 10110.
Say it one more time, loud and clear.
10110.
But where did 2 go? See, same thing, right? I will write all the numbers ignoring the decimal. So 1012. 2 is also there.
Oh.
Oh my God. I forgot. No. You probably just did not notice that. So I'll write all the numbers ignoring the decimal and then I'll
Where's
put
the point?
0.2. Hey Praneeth. So Praneeth, we are trying to learn how to convert
1012
by 10. I'll just say 1012 by 10. So Praneeth, we are trying to learn how do we convert.
Sir?
Yep.
You're muted.
I'm not muted. You are muted. Can you hear me? Akshara, Sohita can hear me, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Praneeth, disconnect and join. You cannot hear me. Yeah. Okay. So everybody learned how to convert decimal to fraction. Let Praneeth join. Praneeth, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Yeah, Akshara, tell me.
What kind of language do you speak?
I speak English, Hindi and Chinese.
How can you speak Chinese?
I lived in China for 8 years. 8 years.
From
Uh,
where?
It's okay, beta. So, Praneeth, can you hear me okay?
Actually, the thing was there were technical problems with my computer and I forgot to charge my
Okay. It's okay. Let's move on. Let's see what we are trying to learn. So we are trying to learn how to convert decimal to fraction. Do you know how to do it, Praneeth? You're talking to the mute button right now.
Yes, I remember. What number are we using?
How do you convert decimal to fraction? Do you know that?
So, if we have...
No, don't tell me a story. Do a problem. 101.67. Convert that to fraction.
10167?
101.67. I want you to convert this to fraction.
We wrote the mean after the decimal.
What is that?
For some reason, we wrote the mean after the decimal. It would be
Okay, do it now.
167 by 100.
Okay, so you know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So,
Because the decimal means 1 and then the 6 and the 7 are...
now there is no 6, 7. 6, 7 is gone. There is 3 and 1. Because 6, 7 is a problem for you guys. Yeah? So here, again, just as one last time. So if you have any decimal to be converted to fraction, what you do is just write down the entire number without ignoring the decimal. So you will write this whole number, ignoring the decimal as if there is no decimal, and then you put a 1 for the decimal and then count how many digits you have after the decimal. 1, 2. 2 digits, 2 zeros. That's it. So now, this is one part of it, okay? How do we convert decimal to fraction? But why are we doing this? Let's figure it out. Now, if somebody says, you have two fractions, 1 by 2 to be multiplied with 4 by 8. Do you guys remember how to do it? Yeah? Yeah. Now I'm saying, no, I want to multiply 1 by 2 with 4.5.
What? Now we're multiplying with a decimal.
Yeah, we are trying to multiply a fraction with a decimal.
But we're going to make it into a fraction. Then
Exactly. So Sohita and Praneeth, keep your videos on. Otherwise, you guys will be lost, I'll be lost. Okay, here, so when you have a situation like this, that is the reason why I say fraction is my best friend. Because if I have different types of numbers to deal with, something is fraction, something is decimal, I'll convert everything to a fraction. So this is already a fraction. Now we know how to convert this to a fraction. So what will I do? I will say 1 by 2, this is a fraction, that's okay. Let's convert this guy also to fraction. And this becomes 45. I wrote the numbers as is, and then I put 1 for the decimal and then 1 digit, so 10. Now I have 45 by 2 into 10. So it is 45 by 2 into 10. Okay, can we do tic-tac-toe? I think we can. We all know the table of 5, right? 45 can be split into 9 into 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And then I have 2 here. And this 10, I can write as 2 into 5, correct? So we have some opportunity for doing tic-tac-toe. This 5 and this 5 gone. I have 9 by 2 into 2, 4. This is the answer. Yeah? So, I'm sorry?
I got the same answer.
Okay. So, like I say, answers are a byproduct, okay? It doesn't excite me, okay? Answer doesn't create excitement for me. What is important, what I keep asking you guys to do is, look at how you are doing it. When you have a situation like this, what you want to do is, first make your mind, okay, I know how to deal with fractions. If I have fraction and decimal both, how do I deal with them? So you'll say, okay, fine, I don't deal with complicated things, I deal with simple things. And since My teacher has told that he has fraction as a best friend. Let's see why he says so. Yeah, because we can convert this to fraction. Everything that we have, we can convert that to a fraction. Let's look at it. Let's look at different types of numbers. I don't make friends without a reason. If I am saying somebody is my friend, there has to be reason, right? There has to be something very exciting about it, right? I mean, I and let's say President of Argentina, we are not friends, correct? He doesn't know me, I don't know him. He doesn't have a reason for being my friend. I don't have a reason for being his friend either. There's always something exciting, something interesting for being friends. Now let's look at it. Why fraction is my best friend? Let's look at it. If I have 5, can I convert 5 into 5 by 1? Yeah, right? It's okay. So I had a natural number, a whole number, I could convert that to a fraction. If I had 2.5, a decimal, can I convert this to a fraction? Yes. I can convert this to 25 by 10. Okay, wonderful. If I had a mixed number, 3 1 by 2, can I convert this to a fraction? Do you guys know how to convert a mixed number to a fraction? Mad? Okay, Akshara, do you know?
Huh?
Do you know how to convert a mixed number to a fraction?
A mixed number to a normal fraction?
Uh-huh.
Maybe, I'll try.
Give it a try. Sohita doesn't know. I'll explain that, but it's okay.
How do you do Maria?
I'm sorry?
How do you do Maria? Like, let's get it.
Okay, I'll explain. Let's see what Akshara does and then I'll come back to it. Akshara, are you able to try beta?
I'm just thinking.
Okay. Okay, let's leave it. Let's see. We know if we have a natural number, I can convert to a fraction. If I have a decimal, I know how to convert to a fraction. If I have a mixed number, I don't know how to do it. I will go mad. I don't know how to do it. Somebody has to tell me how to do it. I'm getting mad right now. Yeah? And that is the trick. Mad. Mad. Meaning, if you have a mixed number, you have to go mad to convert to a fraction. How? You start from the bottom. Multiply, add, divide. So you start from here. Go this way. Multiply. 2 3s are 6. Then add. The next number is to be added. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. Divide. So multiply, add, divide. Multiply, add, divide. So now what it will become? 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Divided by whatever you have. You start from the bottom, multiply, then add, then divide by this number. So if I have, let's say 4 1 by 7, I'll go mad. Start from here. 7 times 4 is 28, and then add. I'm going clockwise. Starting from here, going clockwise. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 29 divided by 7. 28 plus 1 29 divided by 7. Multiply, add, divide. If you have 3 1 by 9, multiply, add, divide. I'm sorry?
I couldn't quite understand.
You could not understand? Okay. Mad. So you have to really go mad now. Let's see. How do we go mad? 3 1 by 2. First you start from the bottom. Start from the base. Your base has to be strong. This is your base. You're starting from here. First is
We
multiply.
have to multiply 3 and 2 which equals 6.
Yeah, so first you start with this. Multiply.
Then add with the numerator.
Add.
Denominator will stay same.
And then divide. See, MAD, mad. So you multiply this one with this number. 2 3 are 6.
7.
Okay.
It is 7, but it is
Yes. Pranit, are you mad now? Not yet. Are you mad now with applying this mad theory? Okay. Now let me give you guys some numbers.
Okay, so we do it like this, like if we have 5 by 4 by.
No story. I'm giving you some problems, okay? I want you guys to go really mad. 2 1 by 5, 6 1 by 3, 5 2 by 9, 10 5 by 6. Go mad 4 times. 2 1 by 5, 6 1 by 3, 5 2 by 9, 10 5 by 6.
I know the first answer.
Do all of them, then we'll talk. I'm going to go and take a nap.
Have a good nap.
Yep, thank you. Akshara, don't type, do it. Take a piece of paper, do it. That's the most authentic method of solving any math problems. Okay, how mad are you guys now?
I did one question.
Only one. All done, Pradeep?
I've done 3 questions.
Finish all of them, we'll talk.
Not all my answers, sir.
Okay.
My first
Wait. Let's give 2 minutes to everybody, okay? I don't want anybody to get influenced by your answer, okay? Let everybody finish. I'll give 2 more minutes. Let me sleep.
Sir,
You're done? So
is the last question? I couldn't read the last.
10 5 over 6.
10 5 over 6.
Yep. Sohita, done?
Yeah, it's done.
All done. Let's give 2 minutes to Akshara and then we'll start.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. What is the first one, Praneeth?
11 by 5.
11 by 5. Sohita?
19 by 3.
No, first one.
First one.
Oh, first one.
11 by 5.
How about Akshara? Oh, wait. 1 by 1. First one, how much is Akshara?
11 by 5.
Okay, second one now. Everybody, 1 by 1. No,
11 by 3.
one more.
11 by 5.
No, how about the second one? 19 by
19
6.
by 3.
Okay, how about the third one?
47 by
47 by 9.
It's hard to read. The minus of 65 by 6. Yes.
Okay. So now my problem is I don't trust anybody. Even if everybody's... So I will do it. So man, multiply 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Yes, this is correct. Everybody is right. Multiply, add, divide. Multiply 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19 by 3. Wonderful. Everybody is correct. This one 5 9 is 45 plus 2 47 by 9. Wonderful. 10 6 is 60 plus 5. 65 by 6. Wonderful. Everybody is correct. Okay. So I knew that you guys got it right, but what I was trying to demonstrate here is no matter how trustworthy is your friend, always do the problem by yourself. Okay. That's a habit we have to get into. And second thing is, let's say once you have done it, let's say Praneeth was raise his hand, say, okay, I'm done. Even if we are the best people when it comes to math, we still make mistakes. That's very normal. So when you have done it and you have time, always get to the habit of reviewing your own work. Review it once. You have finished it, review it quickly. Did I do it right? Okay, wonderful. When you review it, you are minimizing your chances of making mistakes. Yep. Alright? Now, so what we saw was, we had a fraction, no problem. We had a whole number like 3 or 5, we can convert that to a fraction. We had a decimal, we could convert that to a fraction. We had a mixed number, we could convert that to a fraction as well. That is the reason why I say fraction is my best friend. Any type of number I can convert into a fraction. That is the only reason why I call fraction is my best friend. Now let's look at it the other way around. Let's say I have two numbers, okay? If I have 2.5 and 1 over 3, we know that I can convert this to fraction, I can convert this also to fraction. And if I have a 2 also, I can convert that also to a fraction by putting a 2 by 1. But I cannot convert, let's say, everything can be converted to a fraction. But if I want to convert that to a whole number, 2 is a whole number, no problem. Can I convert 1 by 3 to a whole number by any chance? We cannot.
No.
Can I convert this to any number, whole number like 3 or 5 or 2 or whatever? No, right? We cannot. So that's the reason. That is the only motivation why we say fraction is our best friend. Okay?
Well, we could turn like decimal numbers into whole numbers, but you have to round.
No, without rounding. When you are rounding, you are changing its value. You can round this to 2.8 to 3. But is it the same? If you are rounding or estimating, you can say...
Could we round with, like, decimals?
Yeah, you can round it. No, so but let's not mix two things, okay? What I'm saying is, you can round it, but you're changing the value. If you're rounding 2.8 to 3 or 2 or whatever you're rounding to, okay, that is separate thing. Estimation, we're not learning estimation right now. But what I'm saying is, when you're rounding it, you are getting to the nearest possible value. You're not keeping the value same. Now let's talk about million. 2.8 million. If you're rounding it, and 3 is 3 million. Is 2.8 million same as 3 million? No, there's a huge difference.
It's just rounded to it.
Yeah, it's rounded, but there's a difference in value, okay? If you round 2.8 to a 2.8, let's say 2.8 is billion, 2.8 billion versus 3 billion, there's a difference of 200 millions, okay? So you are not rounding changes the value, that's what I'm trying to say. You're just estimating the nearest value, but it's not the same value. Yes, Praneeth?
28 million and 3 million is just 2 million away. So if there is a difference, but there's not much of a difference.
There's a huge difference. You imagine...
I know there's a huge difference, but there's a small amount of...
Look at it this way. Look at it this way. You go to a store. It's, let's say, you are trying to buy, let's say, something which is priced at $3, okay? You go to Walmart, something that is priced at $3. You will say, yeah, you know what? 2.8 can be rounded to 3. I will give you $2.8. Will Walmart give that to you? No, it doesn't give you that. Estimation is just a technique to know the nearest value. Okay, that might be closer to it. It's just a technique for simplifying your calculation, but it is not equal. Okay, this is different.
It's helpful estimating the odds.
It's only for estimating. Now it's like this. If you are going to, let's say, buy something, you know that, let's say you're buying a TV, which is $2,951. You will say, okay, $2,951, it's rounded to almost $3,000. So I will take this much money to buy it so that they can return me $49. But if the TV price is $3,000, they will not sell it to you for this money, okay? This is just for approximation. Okay, let's not go there. If we keep on debating about approximation, we'll be diverted a lot. Let's not go there.
They'll give you it for less price if it's on 50%.
Let's not go there. We will end up not utilizing our time judiciously. Let's come back to the agenda of the class. Okay? Let's not try buying a TV right now. Now, if I try making your life little difficult by saying multiply 2 with 0.5 with 3 1/7. If I was talking about this kind of problem 15 minutes ago, that would have been difficult. But now, since you all have a common friend, fraction, give it a try.
Process imagine to
Do it. I'm saying that you all have a friend who is my friend also. I'm saying multiply 2 with 0.5 and then with 3 1/7. Let's see what happens. You all have one friend called fraction. Make use of your friend.
I found something very interesting. Can I call it out?
First to finish this problem, after that.
3 by 1/7 equals 22/7, and that's the
Pie.
symbol for pi.
Yep. Apple pie.
No, not pi.
Not
Not
pi.
actual pi.
Yeah.
1/1/9 pi.
Okay. So you guys have 2-3 minutes to solve this. Let's spend that time. Then we'll talk about it. Yep. How much it is?
The answer is 22/7, which actually turns out to be pi.
Put how much?
22/7.
22/7. Okay, let's see how much Sohita got. Yes, Sohita. You want to go for a break? Go ahead. How about Akshara? I'll let everybody finish it. Then I will confirm whether this is correct or not.
Do we have to convert the whole number into a fraction or no?
You tell me. Will you? If you don't convert, then your calculation will not be easy. We have a friend for a reason. Yeah? Okay. What's the situation, Akshara and Sohita?
I don't know how to do it.
You don't know how to do it? You don't have a friend?
Fraction.
Fraction. So take help of your friend. Okay, let's. Akshara, how close are you, beta? Almost done? Not done.
Maybe.
Maybe. What does maybe mean?
Later.
I'm sorry?
Later. Huh?
Ledu. Ledu means no. I am learning Telugu nowadays. Okay. Let's see what. Shall I show you guys how to do? How to do?
Yep.
Okay. So you got 22 by you got 22 by 7. How about you, Akshara? How far you had gone? You're talking to the mute button. I would not know better. I cannot hear when you guys don't talk to me.
Converting it.
Converting it? Okay, okay. I'll give you 30 more seconds.
30 seconds is actually not enough. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hmm. Who muted everybody?
Sir, I can't hear you.
You muted me.
I did it.
Okay. All right. So let's quickly do it. Okay. So same thing. Solving a problem is no big deal. How you make your mind ready for doing it is what is important. We have a natural number. We have a decimal. We have a mixed number. When we have a situation like this, the first thing we have to do is, if this is apple, this is orange, and this is watermelon, all different fruits. I cannot deal with them. Let's convert everything into one. So I can fraction is my best friend. So I'll convert this to fraction. 2 becomes 2 by 1. Okay. How about this guy? This becomes 0.5 by 1 for the decimal and then 1 digit. So 1 0. Okay. 0.5 by 10 is same as 5 by 10. Now this mixed number, we just learned how to go math. 7 3s are 21 plus 122 by 7. Okay. So now we have simple all three fractions which we are trying to multiply. Time to play. So it becomes 2 into 5 into 22. All the things on the second floor together. All the things on the first floor together. Now, here I have a 5 and I have a 10 here. Maybe we have a chance to do tic-tac-toe. Let's do that. 2 remains 2, it's a small number, we'll not touch that. 5 is also a small number, not touching it. 22 I can write as 11 into 2. And then here I have 10, 1 remains 1. 10 I can break into 2 into 5. And then I have 7. This 2 and this 2 tic-tac-toe, this 5 and this 5 tic-tac-toe. Then I have 11 into 2 by 7. 11 into 2 is 22 by 7. That's it. So that is...
Fraction is also the symbol of pi.
Yeah, let's not go there. We are not talking about pi right now. So what I'm saying is, when you have a situation when you're dealing with different types of numbers, we convert it into one form, one type, one format. Take it out better. During math, only math. So you can convert everything into one form, that is fraction, because we all know that fraction is our best friend hereafter. Yep. Same way, all these things, converting decimal to fraction, converting mixed number to fraction, all these are techniques for doing our calculation in an easier way. Now, look at it. If I say 3.5 divided by 1 by 7. We are trying to divide one decimal by a fraction. Nothing to worry. Let's first convert everything into one form. Fraction. 3.5 becomes 35 by 7. Sorry, 35 by 10. 3, 5 and then 1 for the decimal, 1, 0. 35 by 10 divided by 1 over 7. Okay, fine. Now, we know that when we have to divide by a fraction, what do? Convert it into multiplication. And when we change a division to multiplication, somebody gets angry and flips upside down. So 1 by 7 became 7 by 1. Now, do whatever you want to do. Multiply 35 into 7 by 10. Okay. Now, 35 you can write as 5 into 7. And then you have one more 7 here. 10 is nothing but 5 into 2. So 1, 5, tic-tac-toe. Then you have 7 into 7 by 2. 7 into 7 is 49 by 2. That's it. So be it fraction, decimal, mixed numbers, natural numbers, when you have different types of numbers you're dealing with, convert them all into one form, and that one form is fraction, and then you deal with it. Is everybody clear? Akshara, clear? Halloween is not getting you scared? Good. Math is not getting you scared either? No. Okay, cool. So, this was the plan. What I will do is, I will just put one problem on the screen. I will let you guys solve it, and then we will call it a day. Let's look at one problem. I'm saying 2.5 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. Let's see what happens. Do it. Dance will do after the class. So I'm reading the question for you guys. 2.5 divided by 0.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. We are trying to do a lot of things together, okay? But it is simple, it is easy. Don't worry about how scary the problem looks. Halloween is not scary, we celebrate it, right? Same way here. Even if it looks scary, we'll celebrate it. Let's do it. So I will disappear from screen for next 2 minutes. I'll let you guys deal with it. Once you're ready, let me know. Okay. Who got the answer? Japanese.
Mine is 5 by 2.
Okay. We'll see. Let's give few more minutes to all the kids and then we'll talk about it. Akshara and Shweta, are you guys able to give it a try? Hope it is not bothering you guys. Yes, Praneeth. Hold it. Let them complete. I'm sorry?
Can I get a glass of water?
Why not? You and I are not doing anything right now. Let both the girls finish their work. You can carry on. It's okay. Go ahead, Praneeth. It's okay. Okay, I would want you guys to stop now because we have just 2 more minutes before the next class starts. Okay, so you said, Praneeth, how much? 5 by 2? Okay, let's see.
Yes.
So here, Sohita and Akshara here. Whenever you have a situation, again we have decimal, natural number. Okay, let's convert everything to fraction. So 2.5 becomes 25 by 1 for the decimal and a 0. 25 by 10. Divided by 0.5 becomes what? 0.5 divided by 1 for the decimal, a 0. Okay. Multiplied by 3. 3 I can write as 3 by 1. Divided by 6, I can write as 6 by 1. Now everything is a fraction. I am surrounded. I'm
5
sorry.
out of 10 supposed to be upside down.
We'll go one by one. So it's like story, okay? You talk about one paragraph, then you go to second paragraph, then you go to third paragraph. Hey Manas. So Manas, I'm just wrapping up the class for the previous batch. Just give me 2 minutes before we start your class. Okay? So here we have this 5 by 10 is 0.5 by 10 is nothing but 5 by 10. Now let's look at it. I don't know how to do division, okay? So I'll keep on converting every division to multiplication. I had division here converted to multiplication. What happens? As soon as I do that, the number next to that flips upside down. So it becomes 10 over 5. Okay? Then I have a multiplication. Same thing, 3 by 1. Now again I have a division. I'll convert that also to multiplication. As soon as I do that, it flips upside down. It becomes 6 by 1 becomes 1 by 6. Okay? Now everything is multiplication, easy. Let's do it. 25. All the things on the second floor is written down. 25 into 10 into 3 into 1. What we have on the first floor? 10 into 5 into 1 into 6. Okay. Now let's see if we can play with this. Let's break them into small numbers. 25 I can write as 5 into 5. Okay. 10 I can write as 5 into 2. Okay.
Sir, you can actually cross out 1 and 10.
Wait. 1 and 10. Okay. Yeah, we have 10 here and 10 here. We can knock it off. It's okay. Job becomes a little easier. So 5 into
We
5.
also have 1. We also have 1.
One, leave one. One doesn't hurt. Okay, let it be there. That's fine. 25 is 5 into 5. This 10 and this 10 is gone, so we'll not look at that. Then I have a 3 and I have a 1. Then below I have 5 into 1 into 6. 6 I can write as 3 into 2. So this 3 and this 3 gone. This 1 and this 1 gone. This 5 and this 5 tic-tac-toe. What we are left with? 5 over 2. Simple. So, even when we looked at this problem, it was looking a little tricky, but there was nothing tricky. We used 2 things. One is convert everything to fraction, and then wherever you had division, you converted them to multiplication, and then everything is same. Yep. So, I will give you guys some assignment after I upload the video. I have started asking the kids to make sure that you guys are watching the video of the class, because what happens is I am making the video, that video goes and lies somewhere on YouTube, nobody cares about it, and then you guys end up having the same question again. So what I am asking all the kids is, after the class when I upload the video, make sure that you are spending 15-20 minutes to watch the video and then try doing the assignment, because whatever I say, you might forget. So when you revise it, you will be able to recollect and then deal with it. Yeah. With that being said, I will let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Talk to you guys in the class on Thursday.
Sir?
Yep.